Thanks for joining me in this video today. If you've got a surf school and you want to create a website for your small business, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to do that on the Mighty Sites platform. The Mighty Sites platform is only going to cost you $9 a month to create a website, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you've registered on the account for your free trial, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, Surf School. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your surf shop is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look quickly together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own awesome images. Maybe you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre written for you. You can do that. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be briefly making my way through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. No coding necessary, no web development skills needed, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you with this. So let's get cracking. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and pop that phone number in. It is click to call, by the way. Our physical location, our street's address. The great thing about that physical location displayed in the top left hand corner, as you can see, when your website is live, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom. Let's move on and head over to update logo. Now over here, you can go ahead and upload your logo if you have one. If you don't have one yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to add filters to it, decorate it, frames, make amendments to it, crop it, perhaps to fit into the section better, click on the little pencil. You can make it bigger and smaller by customizing it here on the right. We've also pre-selected all the colors for you as well, used throughout your website to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your surf shop, your surf school, sorry, shall I say. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to just click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Under the next section, if you want to update the image used over here, upload one of your own, browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library for each section, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Contents in each section can be amended. Button can link to various places. Click on update content, make the changes. Button, you can link to various places like another website if need be. Action, a PDF file you can upload as well. Awesome. All these images you can upload your own by clicking on update section. Over here, we've made our way to the lead form at the bottom. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you, put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel. If you don't have a domain, maybe you've recently launched your business, click on our want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your surf school. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed.